For this last example, we are going to be combining all together everything that we learned from interior and exterior angles. So here I am given a shape and I want to find the measure of each interior angle and of each exterior angle of the indicated regular polygon. So if you recall from your first set of notes, the 7.1a, regular means all sides equal and all angles equal. So for this first one, I'm given a dodecagon, and I know it's regular, so I know that all the sides are equal and all of the angles are equal. And so I'm going to use that information to find each interior angle, and each exterior angle. I'm going to start with the exterior because it's a little bit easier. So dodecagon, again, look at that chart from your 7.1a notes of what that means the number of sides are, and you'll see that that means it has 12 sides. So to find them, I need to find the measure of each exterior angle. Well, I know from my first video that all of the exterior angles add up to 360. I know with regular polygons all the angles are equal, so that means there's going to be 12 equal angles, exterior angles, that add up to 360. So to find what that measure is, I'm just going to divide this by 12. So I divide it by my number of sides. And when you do that, you find that each exterior angle is 30 degrees. And now I need to find my interior. So looking back at what we learned in 7.1b, I know that the sum of the interior angles, I use this formula n minus 2 times 180. That's going to be my sum. So I need to first find that to get my entire sum of the angles. And then I'm going to do just like what I did for exterior and divide that by 12 to find the measure of each. Well, I know for my n I have 12 sides, so it's going to be 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2, I get 10. And then 10 times 180, I get 1800. So that's the sum of all the angles, but now I need to find the measure of each. So to find the measure of each, I am just going to divide it by my number of angles, which is 12. And so I get that each interior angle is 150 degrees. And so something you may notice is that my exterior and my interior angles add up to 180. That should always be the case because they make a linear pair. So that's one way you can check yourself. Okay, let's try the same process with a pentagon. So pentagon, I look back at my chart and I see that that means it has 5 sides. So to find the measure of each exterior angle, I need to do 360 divided by 5. Again, because I know my exterior angles add up to 360, I know each exterior angle is equal to one another, so I just need to divide it by 5. And so I get 72 degrees. And now to find my interior, I first need to see what all the angles add up to in my interior angles for this pentagon. So I need to use my formula. Well, my n is just equal to 5. 5 minus 2, I get 3. And then 3 times 180, I get 540. So I have what the sum of my interior angles are. Now to find the measure of each, I need to divide that by my number of sides, which is 5. And I get 108 degrees. And I check my work. 108 plus 72 is 180, so I am good. Okay, that is it for today. If you want to look at some more examples, those are linked below. Otherwise, you can go ahead and get started on that exit ticket. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.